अच्छा, condition for aldol condensation is compound having at least one alpha hydrogen, H3 कर दीजिए. But in Cannizzaro reaction में compound having no alpha hydrogen, compound having no alpha hydrogen undergoes generally Cannizzaro reaction. Compound having alpha hydrogen undergoes aldol condensation. अच्छा, example है compound having no alpha hydrogen है. Aldehyde which do not have alpha hydrogen atom undergoes self oxidation reduction. This is example for disproportionation reaction. अच्छा, best example है the compound which are having no alpha hydrogen atom. Formaldehyde है, formaldehyde है, benzaldehyde है, formaldehyde है, benzaldehyde है, etc. So compound having no alpha hydrogen atom generally undergoes Cannizzaro reaction. Compound having no alpha hydrogen atom generally undergoes Cannizzaro reaction. अच्छा, one molecule undergoes oxidation, another molecule undergoes reduction. So here nucleophilic addition is not, here NaOH is a nucleophilic addition, not a base, right? अच्छा, देखो one by one, step by one step we can discuss. अच्छा, this is an example for disproportionation reaction. This reaction is called disproportionation reaction. This reaction is called disproportionation reaction. अच्छा, देखो formaldehyde है, 2 moles of formaldehyde है. It concentrated KOH. Here KOH is not a base, here nucleophile. अच्छा, in aldol condensation it is a base है, now it is a nucleophile. It is a nucleophile. It is a nucleophile. Like one molecule undergoes oxidation, one molecule undergoes reduction. अच्छा, formaldehyde undergoes reduction gives methyl alcohol. Formaldehyde undergoes oxidation gives acid. Acid react with excess of concentrated means excess of KOH. Acid react with excess of KOH, salt is formed. Actually, this is a what will form is one molecule of alcohol, one molecule alcohol, one molecule of formic acid. But formic acid react with excess of KOH, na, we get this is potassium formate. Why you can write potassium formate means excess of concentrated NaOH, concentrated KOH used, excess of KOH used. Still acetic hydrogens are there in carboxylic acid. That's why they act with the base. Again, corresponding salt is formed. Example for disproportionation reaction: one molecule undergoes oxidation, another molecule undergoes reduction. अच्छा, benzaldehyde also one molecule undergoes oxidation, another molecule undergoes reduction. One molecule undergoes oxidation, another molecule undergoes reduction. अच्छा, benzyl alcohol, benzoic acid. Benzyl alcohol, benzoic acid. Benzoic acid react with excess of NaOH. Sodium benzoate is formed. Sodium benzoate is formed. Sodium benzoate is formed. अच्छा, देखो, अच्छा, mechanism is not given. Mechanism is not given. देखो, very simple है. Because question they may ask formaldehyde. Suppose I will take formaldehyde. I will take a formaldehyde. In the presence of base OH minus, now it is acting like a nucleophile only. It is acting like a nucleophile only. अच्छा, nucleophile का मतलब क्या है? Attack at the center where electron density less. Where electron density less. अच्छा, electron density less. अच्छा, देखो कैसा HCO minus, here OH, here H. Right. Now this is the slowest step. So many times asked previously, RDS means slow step. Slow step में H minus ion transfer, hydrogen ion transfer. अच्छा, question asked in Cannizzaro reaction, which of the following is RDS step? Transfer of H hydrogen ion transfer is. अच्छा, H minus transfer वाले then की one more molecule of formaldehyde. अच्छा, चलो I am writing one more molecule of formaldehyde. अच्छा, one more molecule of formaldehyde. One more molecule of formaldehyde. देखो formaldehyde. अच्छा, this formaldehyde I will write. देखो, oxygen carrying negative charge है. Carbon is positive charge. మరి hydrogen ఎక్కడ రావాలి? Where hydrogen goes? H minus. This is H minus. H minus రావాలంటే మళ్ళీ again back. H minus attack at the center where electron is less. So मतलब ये वाला हो गया again formic acid है. फॉर्मिक एसिड है। अच्छा देखो ये हो गया HCO माइनस H, ये H माइनस अटैक ना, फर्स्ट स्टेप में H माइनस आयन ट्रांसफर है, सेकंड स्टेप में प्रोटॉन ट्रांसफर है। अच्छा बोथ H minus also there, H plus also there. H plus transfer is not slow step. He is not RDS step one. अच्छा H plus transfer because which H plus is the hydrogen which are attached to more EN replaceable hydrogens. This is replaceable hydrogen. Replaceable hydrogen. मतलब फॉर्मेट आयन HCOO minus plus methyl alcohol. देखो methyl alcohol. एक molecule is undergoes reduction methyl alcohol oxidation formate. This react with sodium है ना, सोडियम फॉर्मेट है, ये OH माइनस Na प्लस है ना, रिएक्शन में react with Na प्लस सोडियम फॉर्मेट बनेगा। Here instead of this we can write sodium formate है, we can write sodium formate also, sodium formate. This is a step. अच्छा in Cannizzaro reaction what they are asking, what is slowest step is H minus ion transfer is nothing but slowest step, right? चलो अच्छा now देखो बेंजोइलेट आल्सो सेम है। नाउ क्रॉस्ड में क्या प्रॉब्लम देखो, क्रॉस्ड अच्छा when two different aldehyde, when one of them is formaldehyde and other treatment with aqueous solution। अच्छा देखो, अच्छा I will go for one simple example है, मैंने एक फॉर्माल्डेहाइड लिया, एक बेंजोइलेट, two different kind, not same है, with same there is no problem, one molecule undergoes oxidation, another molecule undergoes reduction। now this is not same है, एक molecule formaldehyde, एक molecule है बेंजोइलेट। now listen, now we discussed about nucleophilic addition reactivity। you know aldehydes are more reactive than ketone, aliphatic aldehydes are more reactive than ketone। मतलब formaldehyde is benzoylate where which is more reactive, this is more reactive, that means OH minus attack है where here only, मतलब we can write like this, first step में we can write like this, OH minus attack over here। अच्छा OH minus attack at the center where electron density is less, then I will write O minus HOH। now it is react with one more molecule of benzoylate is there na, now H minus ion shift, hydrogen shift है, हाइड्रोजन का मतलब H माइनस जाएंगे, मतलब अगेन वापस, मतलब HC डबल बॉन्ड वो H, यहां देखो H माइनस कहां अटैक करेगा, कार्बन देगा, बिकॉज़ कार्बन इज इलेक्ट्रॉन डेफिशिएंट हो, C6H5 O माइनस H। अच्छा यहाँ H माइनस यहाँ आएंगे, हाइड्रोजन शिफ्ट अंटा కదా మన ఫస్ట్ స్టెప్ లో, దెన్ ప్రోటాన్ షిఫ్ట్, यहाँ से प्रोटॉन शिफ्ट करेगा, అంటే ఇక్కడ ఫార్మాల్డిహైడ్ ఫార్మిక్ యాసిడ్ बनेगा, बेंजाइल अल्कोहल बनेगा। you remember when two aldehydes are given which is more reactive towards nucleophilic addition, that is acid बनेगा, rest is alcohol। अच्छा if two different aldehydes given, how can you identify which is alcohol, which is acid? Two similar kind of acids are aldehydes are given, no problem, one molecule undergoes oxidation, another molecule undergoes reduction, but two different kind is given, देखो which is more reactive वहां acid बनेगा, then proton shift में यहां बनेगा alcohol बनेगा। so one simple funda in one simple what I write, what I think, see one simple thing I will write, what I simple thing, most reactive aldehyde undergoes oxidation. Simple ga undergoes oxidation. Rest is undergoes reduction. Now without writing mechanism I can go for cross without writing mechanism. एक formaldehyde है, एक benzaldehyde है. Now without writing mechanism I can go for. अच्छा, in the presence of OH minus, which is more reactive? More reactive is formaldehyde, right? More reactive is this is more reactive ना, more reactive. अच्छा, more reactive is undergoes oxidation, मतलब सोडियम फॉर्मेट. अच्छा, less reactive undergoes reduction है, मतलब अल्कोहल है. So बेंजाइल अल्कोहल है. Without writing mechanism you can write. Most reactive aldehydes undergoes oxidation, rest is undergoes reduction. Most reactive aldehyde undergoes oxidation, rest undergoes reduction. Achha, anything is given. Formaldehyde and anything is given. Formaldehyde always undergoes oxidation because among the aldehyde, the most reactive aldehyde is formaldehyde. If formaldehyde, any other aldehyde given, formaldehyde undergoes oxidation, rest undergoes reduction. Rest undergoes reduction. Rest undergoes reduction. देखो एग्जाम्पल दे रहा है, देखो एक एग्जाम्पल दे रहा है. एक बेंजोल्डेहाइड है, एक फॉर्माल्डेहाइड है. अब देखो दोनों में क्या which is more reactive? Formaldehyde. So formaldehyde undergoes oxidation, benzoylate undergoes reduction. Which is a more reactive aldehyde? Their H minus ion shift. H minus ion shift, hydrogen shift. This crossed Arnold condition, crossed Kennedy's reaction. देखो among these two, which is a more reactive when compared to aromatic aldehyde? Aliphatic aldehydes are more reactive. The two formaldehyde is most reactive among all aldehydes only. So formaldehyde undergoes oxidation means formic acid. This undergoes reduction means here CH2OH, here COH. Actually, no need to go for mechanism. Directly you have to write it. The only thing you have to identify given to aldehyde which is a more reactive. More reactive undergoes oxidation, less reactive undergoes reduction. Example for disproportionation reaction. Achha, exception for Kennedy's reaction. The following aldehyde do not containing alpha hydrogen atom, but still fails to undergo Kennedy's reaction. देखो कैसा. अच्छा, దీనిలో మనకి ఏం లేదు. These are exception cases है देखो. This is a question previously asked. This is a question previously asked. This is a question previously asked. अच्छा, क्यों यहाँ OH ग्रुप से देख लीजिए. Why it is है? Because partial double bond character is there here. In resonance structure आप देख लीजिए. Resonance structure आप देख लीजिए. For example, ये वाला देख लीजिए. अच्छा, one by one I can discuss. Like अच्छा, before देखो. For example, CCl3CHO. Actually, there is no alpha hydrogen. No alpha hydrogen. It's supposed to undergo Kennedy's reaction. But it undergoes haloform reaction. But it undergoes haloform reaction. it undergoes haloform reaction. अच्छा देखो कैसा CCl3 अच्छा in the presence of OH minus no doubt at all mechanism is same है, no doubt at all mechanism is same है. अच्छा OH minus attack at the center where electron is missing. Shall we write like CCl3 O minus HOH. Like same है. But we know CCl3 good leaving group है, means more deactivating group है, more deactivating group है. अच्छा ऐसा deactivate करता है CCl3 minus, then कैसा बनेगा? अच्छा अब देखो क्या ये CCl3 minus है. अच्छा देखो He C डबल बॉन्ड OH. एक्चुअली यहाँ अल्कोहल होना चाहिए, अल्कोहल नहीं आता है. नाउ प्रोटॉन शिफ्ट है, सिमिलर मैकेनिज्म, प्रोटॉन शिफ्ट है, H प्लस शिफ्ट है, H प्लस को शिफ्ट करेगा तो क्या है CH3 प्लस फॉर्मेट है. अच्छा देखो ये एलोफॉर्म है, क्लोरोफॉर्म, हाइड्रोफॉर्म है, हेलोफॉर्म रिएक्शन है instead of going for Canisius reaction. That's why these are exceptional cases. These are exceptional cases, you need to remember. These are exceptional cases. These are exceptional cases. यहाँ रेजोनेंस है, बल्कि स्टेरिक इंडक्टेंस है. रेजोनेंस देख लीजिए यहाँ से. Suppose I am writing over here. These are exceptional cases. This molecule, even though not having any alpha iodine atoms, not undergoes Canisius reaction. यहाँ देखो पार्शियल डबल कैरेक्टर है. देखो यहाँ पार्शियल डबल वन कैरेक्टर होता है. यहाँ से देखो लोन पर यहाँ शुरू होता है ना. सो ए माइग्रेशन ऐसा होता है, ए माइग्रेशन ऐसा होता है, ए माइग्रेशन ऐसा होता है. देखो कार्बन कार्बन बीच में डबल बॉन्ड होता है, कार्बन कार्बन बीच में डबल बॉन्ड होता है. सो here also there also, बल्कि ये completely resonance structure है, reluctant to participate in the reaction. These are exceptional cases in Canisius reaction. But one thing I think we discussed one more example. What is one more example? I can write CH3, CH3, CHO. अच्छा in the presence of base है. अच्छा it never undergoes aldol condensation. Even though it containing alpha hydrogen. Even though it containing alpha hydrogen. Even though it contains alpha hydrogen. The reason मैं చెప్పుకున్నాను నేను. The reason because methyl groups have increased electron density, proton held very strongly, very difficult to abstract the proton. But it undergoes exceptional case, but it undergoes Canisius reaction. Canisius reaction, one molecule undergoes oxidation, another molecule undergoes reduction. Similar molecule, one molecule undergoes oxidation. One molecule undergoes oxidation means CONA. One molecule undergoes reduction. One molecule undergoes reduction. अच्छा exceptional case है ये. Actually it's supposed to undergoes aldol, but it undergoes Canisius reaction. It's supposed to undergoes aldol, but it undergoes Canisius reaction. The reason is because of both plus I groups. Electron density increases in carbon. Proton cannot abstract very easily. If proton abstract very easily, aldol condensation. Now here it is acting like a nucleophile. Nucleophile candidial reaction as a base aldol conjugation. देखो एरोमेटिक इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शन EAS रिएक्शन. अच्छा EAS रिएक्शन में प्रेजेंस ऑफ कार्बोनिल ग्रुप इज नथिंग बट -M ग्रुप ना. अच्छा either CHO ग्रुप or COO R group present in the benzene ring, -M group, multiple bonds are -M group, metadiating group. Metadiating. దీని డీయాక్టివేటింగ్ గ్రూప్ అంటారు. డీయాక్టివేటింగ్ గ్రూప్స్ అంటారు. డీయాక్టివేటింగ్ గ్రూప్స్ అంటారు. దీస్ ఆర్ కాల్డ్ డీయాక్టివేటింగ్ గ్రూప్స్ అంటారు. సో నైట్రేషన్ చేస్తే మెటా పొజిషన్ లో వస్తుంది, క్లోరినేషన్ చేస్తే మెటా పొజిషన్ లో వస్తుంది, సల్ఫోనేషన్ చేస్తే మెటా పొజిషన్ లో వస్తుంది. వెరీ సింపుల్ పంట. బెంజాయిల్ అండర్గోస్ నైట్రేషన్. అచ్చా NO2 ప్లస్ ఎక్కడ రావాలి? మెటా పొజిషన్ లో రావాలి. మెటా పొజిషన్ లో రావాలి బికాజ్ మెటాడైటింగ్ గ్రూప్, బికాజ్ ఆఫ్ -M గ్రూప్. మల్టిపుల్ బాండ్స్ ఉంటే -M గ్రూప్ అంటాం. లోయర్ పేర్ ఆఫ్ ఎలక్ట్రాన్ ఉంటే +M గ్రూప్ అంటాం जनरल. अच्छा वेदर नाइट्रेशन करो सल्फोनेशन करो అంటే ఫిడల్ కాఫ్ సర్క్యులేషన్ नहीं है మనం చెప్పుకున్నాం. ఎనిలిన్ కానీ ఎనీ డీయాక్టివేటింగ్ గ్రూప్ కానీ ఉంటే దేర్ ఇస్ నో ఫిడల్ కాఫ్ రియాక్షన్. ఆల్కైలేషన్ కానీ అసైలేషన్ కానీ బెంజోనేషన్ కానీ జరుగుతుంది. Even halogenation also meta position में halo group substituted है because metadiating group है. In case of +M है ortho para both isomers are possible. Here only one isomer possible, meta isomer is possible. Meta chloro bromo benzyl लिखेगा. Even sulfonation also meta position में SO3H group है because this group is deactivating group है meta position में. मेटा पोजीशन में SO3. Since it is meta-reactive, electrophilic aromatic substitution reactions are very easy in case of aromatic compounds, which is necessary for Cangiros reaction. Presence of alpha hydrogen, absence of hydrogen and carbon. Presence of absence of hydrogen. Presence of hydrogen is a condition for all organizations. Reaction of benzoyl with constant NaOH. Benzoyl में no alpha hydrogen है, so Cangiros reaction है. One molecule undergoes oxidation, one molecule undergoes reduction. One molecule undergoes oxidation, benzoyl aldehyde undergoes benzoic acid, benzoyl alcohol. Of course, Tishenko reaction also there. Later we discussed. Even though compound having alpha hydrogen can undergo Cangiros reaction in the presence of very strong base. Aluminum oxide, etc. That is the Tishenko reaction, but NCERT may not given Tishenko reaction. Acha, how can you distinguish between aldehydes and ketones? How we can differentiate aldehydes and ketones? Acha, with the 2,4 DNP, both aldehydes and ketones. Now they go with the 2,4 DNP. With the 2,4 DNP Brodis reagent and now 2,4 DNP reagent, both give positive test, both give orange red PPT. This identification of aldehydes and ketones. But how can you, whether it is aldehyde or ketone, how can you identify? You know, Tollens reagent है, Fehling solution है, Schiff's reagent है, Bendy solution है. All these are mild oxidizing agent है. Only aldehyde can reduce, whereas ketone not respond. So differentiate between aldehydes and ketones. One by one we can discuss. Mild oxidizing agents. What are mild oxidizing agents? Tollens reagent है, Tollens test है. Only aldehydes can respond Tollens test है. देखो only aldehydes respond Tollens test है. This is a Tollens reagent है, complex compound, or else we can also written as Ag2, or you can also write Ag2. Tollens reagent है. Then देखो silver mirror है, ये Ag ना, Ag nothing but silver mirror है. This is silver में. Aldehyde can respond silver में, but not ketones. देखो, but not ketones. देखो ये वाला. But in case of ketone, not respond. Suppose I can go for ketone. In case I can use ketones with the Tollings reagent, not respond. Because mild oxygen agent cannot break CC bond. Mild oxygen agent can break CH bond, CC bond. But one exception is there in ketones. One exception is there in ketones. Achha, we already discussed in fructose also. Alpha hydroxy ketones. Alpha hydroxy ketone can respond. Alpha hydroxy, that's why fructose undergoes. Fructose is a reduced sugar. Fructose क्या है? Alpha hydroxy ketone. But generally ketones not respond. But alpha hydroxy ketone can respond to Tollings test as well as Fehling solution also. Alpha hydroxy ketone can respond. Alpha hydroxy ketone can respond. देखो what are alpha hydroxy मतलब CH2OH C double bond OCH. देखो ये फंक्शन रूप है अल्फा. अल्फा हाइड्रोक्सी कीटोन है. लाइक फ्रक्टोज है. अब देखो फ्रक्टोज कैसा दिखता है. फ्रक्टोज है CH2OH है, C double bond O, CHOH taken thrice CH2OH. फ्रक्टोज में क्या है? अल्फा हाइड्रोक्सी कीटोन. So fructose, even though containing ketone group, can reduce sugar, can reduce Tollings reagent, can reduce Fehling solution, bromine water though. That's why fructose is reduced sugar even though containing ketone group. देखो now Fehling solution. Fehling solution one solution है. Solution A, solution B. Solution A is aqueous copper sulfate. And solution B is alkaline sodium potassium tartrate. This you remember. What is the solution A, solution B? अच्छा, solution A is copper sulfate. Solution B is sodium potassium tartrate. अच्छा, more or less Fehling solution, Fehling solution same है, more or less same है. अच्छा, potassium citrate. Citrate is called Beldi solution है. Tartrate is called Fehling solution. Otherwise, remaining tests are same. अच्छा, దీన్ని మనం ఏమంటాం? Rochelle salt అంటాం. Fehling solution అంటాం. अच्छा, Fehling solution gives a red PPT, aldehyde, ketones. But a condition aromatic aldehydes cannot respond. Condition aromatic aldehydes cannot respond Fehling solution. Only aliphatic aldehyde can respond. देखो, aromatic aldehyde cannot respond because of aromacity ना. Aromatic aldehydes are less reactive when compared to aliphatic aldehydes. Because of resonance one CC bond ఉంటుంది. When compared to Tollings reagent, is still mild oxidizing agent. That's why he is unable to break the CH bond in aromatic compound because CC bond is also there. Aromatic aldehyde do not respond this test one. So देखो रेड पीपीटी फॉर्म होता है. व्हाट इज रेड पीपीटी? देखो ये रेड पीपीटी CU2. अच्छा, ये CuO you can simply write, you can write CuO turned into CU2, red PPT. अच्छा, similar reaction in Beldi solution. Ketone cannot respond. Again, alpha hydroxy ketone can respond, but ketone cannot respond. In case of ketones, suppose I can write ketones not respond. But ketones में exception है alpha hydroxy ketones. Alpha hydroxy ketone can respond Fehling solution. Alpha hydroxy ketone can respond Fehling solution. अच्छा similar, more or less similar है. Instead of tartrate, citrate is used. That's it. अच्छा देखो, it's sodium citrate. Sodium citrate. There's sodium hydroxide plus what we used sodium tartrate, potassium tartrate. अच्छा same red PPT is अपने. देखो, so all the organic compound, similar test. All the organic compound which you pass to test with Fehling solution, also give the test same test with Bendy solution. But Bendy solution is stable at room temperature. That's why we know in sugar patients also, and diabetic patients also, test for glucose test, they are using a Bendy solution. When compared to Fehling solution, it is very easy to do the test. Reduction of Schiff's reagent. अच्छा देखो, what is the Schiff's reagent? Simply rosa aniline hydrochloride. Schiff's base value Schiff's with the Schiff's reagent. अच्छा, I will tell you simple thing. I will tell you very simple thing. अच्छा C6H5 CHO अच्छा एडिशन एलिमिनेशन रिएक्शन है. Aromatic aldehyde, aromatic amines, I write NC6H2. This is called anils. Anils are nothing but Schiff's base. अच्छा Schiff's base color pink color. Schiff's base color pink color. Is a pink color. Is a pink color. Now for Schiff's base you pass SO2. SO2 gas is passed. Now Schiff's reagent होता है. Schiff's reagent होता है. अच्छा Schiff's reagent is colorless. Colorless. Now you can add aldehyde. Pink color is restored. Color not changed. Any color is not changed. Color is not changed. अच्छा color is changed aldehyde है, not changed ketone है. Very simple. अच्छा Schiff's reagent की SO2 gas पास चेस्ते. Schiff's reagent की SO2 gas की Schiff's base SO2 पास Schiff's reagent. Schiff's reagent aldehyde चेस्ते pink color restore होती. Ketone चेस्ते pink color राल. Identification just for aldehyde ketone. Anils अंटाम Schiff's base अंटाम. Pink color कनका वो pink color कनका react करे थे aldehyde है. Pink color राग होते that is ketone. Ketone do not reduce tolerance reagent, Fehling solution, and a Bendy solution. Hence, these reagents can be used to distinguish between aldehyde and ketone, but exception cases are there. Ketone, alpha hydroxy ketone can also reduce, but remaining ketone cannot reduce. Whereas aldehyde, suppose 2,4 DNP to positive వచ్చి, tolerance to negative వస్తే అది ketone. Tolerance to positive వస్తే అది aldehyde. Easy, very easy to identify it. Oxidation of methyl ketone by haloform reaction. अच्छा haloform reaction. अच्छा haloform का मतलब देखो, haloform क्या है? CHI3 गानी, CHCl3 गानी, जनरल idoform अंटा. Haloform गानी idoform अंटा. Idoform reaction. अच्छा aldehyde ketone ला condition, which aldehyde condition ఏంటంటే अच्छा what is condition here? Aldehyde and ketone లో అచ్చా వన్ మిథైల్ గ్రూప్ ఈజ్ లింక్డ్ విత్ దీనంటే మిథైల్ కీటోన్స్ అంట ఆల్ఫా మిథైల్ కీటోన్ అంటాను ఏమంటానంటే ఆల్ఫా మిథైల్ కీటోన్స్ ఉండాలి ఆల్ఫా మిథైల్ కీటోన్ ఉండాలి ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చూద్దాం అచ్చా ఫార్మాలైడ్ తీసుకుంటే ఫార్మాలైడ్ ఈ గ్రూప్ లేదు అంటే ఈ గ్రూప్ అంటే ఇలా CW1 CH3 ఈ గ్రూప్ ఉండాలి ఈ గ్రూప్ లేదు సో దెర్ ఇస్ నో హైడ్రోఫార్మ్ రియాక్షన్ లేదు ఈ గ్రూప్ లేదు అచ్చా ఎస్టైల్ తీసుకున్నాను అచ్చా ఈ గ్రూప్ ఉందో చూడండి ఎస్టైల్ లో అచ్చా ఈ గ్రూప్ ఉంది ఎస్ అచ్చా ఎస్టోన్ తీసుకున్నాను అచ్చా ఈ గ్రూప్ ఉంది బట్ నేను ఇలా తీసుకున్నాను CH3 CH2 CW1O CH2 CH3 అచ్చా నో రీజన్ CW1O CH2 ఉంది మనకి CH3 కావాలి మిథైల్ కావాలి మిథిలిన్ కాదు మిథైల్ కావాలి CH3 కంపల్సరీ ఉండాలి నో సో ఐ కెన్ గో ఫర్ బెంజాల్డేట్ నో ఐ గో ఫర్ బెంజాల్డేట్ C6H5CHO నో I go for benzophenone yes अच्छा ई ग्रुप ఉంటే ఓకే this group is there okay benzophenone okay अच्छा C6H5 C11O C6H5 no సో ఇంకో పాయింట్ ఏం చెప్పాను చూడండి సోడియం హైపోహాలైట్ అంటే NaOCl గాని I గాని ఇలా సోడియం సాల్ట్స్ ఆఫ్ కరస్పాండింగ్ కార్బాక్స్ ఆక్సిడైజ్డ్ బై ఇది ఆక్సైడ్ చేస్తుందంట ఎలా చూద్దాం ఎలా ఉంటుంది ఇవన్నీ కూడా చూడండి ఆక్సిడేషన్ ఆఫ్ మిథైల్ కీటోన్ బై హాలోఫార్మ్ రియాక్షన్ మిథైల్ కీటోన్ అంటే ఇదేమవ్వాలి CH3 అవ్వాలి చూడండి ఇది CH3 ఇచ్చండి ఈ పార్ట్ మొత్తం ఏమవుతుంది CH3 అవుతుంది అచ్చా మెకానిజం ఇవ్వలేదు NCERT లో చెప్పలేదు మెకానిజం మీకు ఆల్రెడీ నోట్స్ లో చెప్పాను మెకానిజం CH3 అవుతుంది ఇదేమవుతుంది HCOO Na అవుతుంది ఇంతకుముందు చెప్పుకున్నాము CCl3 ఈ రోజు చెప్పాను ఇన్ దిస్ వీడియో ఓన్లీ వి డిస్కస్ CCl3 CHO అండర్గోస్ హాలోఫార్మ్ రియాక్షన్ ఇన్స్టెడ్ ఆఫ్ Cangiroso రియాక్షన్ అచ్చా ఇక్కడ చూడండి దేర్ ఇస్ నో ఛాన్స్ ఇక్కడ చూడండి ఈ పార్ట్ ఏమవుతుందంటే మనకి CH3 అవుతుంది రెస్ట్ ఇది ఏమవుతుంది 2 మాలిక్యూల్స్ కదా CH3 COO Na అవుతుంది CH3 CO Na అవుతుంది ఆ పార్ట్ కదా సేమ్ ఇక్కడ కూడా ఒక CH3 ఫామ్ అవుతుంది హైడ్రోఫార్మ్ కంపల్సరీ ఫామ్ అవ్వాలి అండ్ 7 కార్బన్ యాసిడ్ ఫామ్ అవ్వాలి అంటే కండిషన్ ఆల్డిహైడ్ కీటోన్ హాలోఫార్మ్ రియాక్షన్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేయాలంటే కండిషన్ ఆల్ఫా మిథైల్ కీటోన్ ఉండాలి కంపల్సరీగా ఒక కార్బన్ CH3 అవుతుంది రిమైనింగ్ కార్బన్ యాసిడ్ అవుతుంది ఒక కార్బన్ ఏమో CH3 అవుతుంది రిమైనింగ్ కార్బన్ యాసిడ్ అవుతుంది ఒక కార్బన్ ఏమో CH3 రిమైనింగ్ కార్బన్ యాసిడ్ అవుతుంది ఒక కార్బన్ CH3 రిమైనింగ్ కార్బన్ యాసిడ్ అవుతుంది అచ్చా ఆక్సిడైజ్ బై సోడియం హైపో NaOCl ఇచ్చినా కూడా హైడ్రోఫార్మ్ ఇచ్చిన I2NaO ఇచ్చినా కూడా సేమ్ అచ్చా NaO ఇస్తారు ఒకసారి NaOH I2 ఇస్తారు రెండు ఒకటే ఏది ఇచ్చినా ఈ రెండింటిలో ఏ రేజెంట్ ఇచ్చినా కూడా దట్ ఇస్ హైడ్రోఫార్మ్ రియాక్షన్ ఎనీ రేజెంట్ ఇస్ గివెన్ దట్ ఇస్ హైడ్రోఫార్మ్ రియాక్షన్ నౌ देखो methyl group is converted into methyl group converted into haloform alpha methylene lo methyl group converted into haloform rest any carbons unte anni carbon acid form avutundi देखो ये methyl group देखो यहाँ से एक एग्जांपल आपके लिए this is converted into hydroform rest any carbons unte acid form H7 వచ్చి కాబట్టి మనకి ఏమవుతుంది అచ్చా NOx తీసుకోవచ్చు డైరెక్ట్ NOx తీసుకోవచ్చు or else you can use NaOH plus I2 గాని Cl2 గాని అలా తీసుకోవచ్చు ఈ రెండు ఏది ఇచ్చినా కూడా హైడ్రోఫార్మ్ రియాక్షన్ సో హైడ్రోఫార్మ్ వెల్లో క్రిస్టల్స్ హైడ్రోఫార్మ్ అంటే CH3 అనేది వెల్లో క్రిస్టల్ ఫార్మ్స్ CH3 అయితే వెల్లో క్రిస్టలిన్ వెల్లో PPT देखो what I said, one methyl is isoform. Remaining how many carbons are that number of carbons acid. It doesn't matter. Other alkene alkane doesn't matter. One methyl is a isoform. Remaining according to acid. How many carbons that number of carbons acid. Acid react NaOH extra NaOH. You get salt from there. अच्छा isoform test alcohols in alcohols, particularly in alcohols isoform in particularly in alcohols which alcohol gives isoform test means primary alcohols only ethyl alcohol, because ethyl alcohol is a mild oxide, ethyl alcohol isoform like NaOCl గాని NaOH2 గాని mild oxidizing agent కాబట్టి which can convert into aldehyde. ఆ కన్వర్ట్ అయిన aldehyde లో alpha COCH3 గ్రూప్ ఉంటుంది. So primary alcohol లో only ethyl alcohol can react with the isoform reaction, can give the isoform test. Secondary alcohols లో only two alcohols. अच्छा डिफरेंस देखो 2 alcohol 3 alcohols. अच्छा देखो ये वाला 2 alcohol है, अच्छा देखो ये वाला 3 alcohol है. Both are secondary, but this is not. The reason is this undergoes oxidation because mild oxidizing agent होने this undergoes oxidation क्या बनेगा आपको ऑक्सीडेशन में क्या बनेगा सेकेंडरी अल्कोहल कन्वर्ट इनटू कीटोन. अच्छा द ऑक्सीडाइज्ड प्रोडक्ट कंटेनिंग अल्फा COCH3 ग्रुप है, ऑक्सीडाइजिंग प्रोडक्ट कंटेनिंग अल्फा COCH3 ग्रुप है. बट सपोज यहां ऑक्सीडेशन है, दिस अंडरगोस ऑक्सीडेशन है सपोज, देन CH3 CH2 C double bond O CH2 CH3, here there is no alpha methyl group. So that's why secondary alcohol only 2 alcohols. Tertiary alcohol no alcohol. Tertiary alcohol no alcohol beauty isoform test. So very simple है. अच्छा primary लो इन्हीं की methyl alcohol cause करते हैं. Methyl alcohol again oxidation use. Methyl alcohol oxidation use क्या? Formaldehyde. अच्छा formaldehyde ये group ले जाना. CH2 CH3 ले जाना. तो बट इधी माने की this is important. This is important. Alcohols no important. Primary alcohols no only ethyl alcohol. Secondary alcohol no only 2 alcohols. Tertiary alcohol no alcohol can exhibit isoform reaction. Aldehyde ketone is compulsory C=H2O CH3 group. That's a very important need point of view, JE point of view very important. These reactions are isoform reaction like Tollens Felix solution very important. अच्छा देखो isoform test exhibited by the following: ethyl alcohol है, acetaldehyde है, acetone है, methyl ketone है, acetophenone है, alpha hydroxy propanoic acid है, nothing but lactic acid है. अच्छा no need to mug up all this, you can simply add करो. Any organic compound given you can go for C=H2O CH3 there. Yes in among the alcohol primary alcohol में this one exception case है, आप देख लीजिए. एक एक्सेप्शनल केस है, ये देखिए, ये वन यू कैन रिमेंबर दैट्स इट. रिमेनिंग में यू कैन कीटो एसिड आल्सो C=H2O CH3 देन देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम. 2 amino alkane, these two are exceptional case, you remember that's it. Remaining while seeing the structure also you have to identify this one. अच्छा lactic acid you might know very well na, lactic acid COH CH3 ये सेकेंडरी अल्कोहल होता है ना, ऑक्सीजन C=H2O होता है. ये 2 अल्कोहल्स है, 2 Two alkanones, I already said that two alkanones also give cytochrome test. This is lactic acid. Aldehyde can be oxidized by, might be all the above. Tolley's reagent is ammonical silver nitrate. Ammonical silver nitrate, right? Failing solution है, రెండు ఉంటాయి మరి. This is nothing but Schiff's reagent, that is copper sulfate to Rosseli salt. Rosseli salt sodium potassium tartrate. Tartrate అయితేనే మరి NaOH sodium potassium tartrate అంటాం. Citrate కనుక ఉంటే బెంజీ సొల్యూషన్. Schiff's reagent para-rosaine and hydrogen chloride. Passing SO2 gas కదా, easily can identify. Acha odd man out, remaining also we can check it. Odd man out also we can do it. Acha uses of aldehyde ketone, but previously they never asked. Very rare cases they are asking, but anyhow in NCERT textbook they have given the uses. That's why they are going to discuss. Otherwise, very rare cases they are asking the uses. Anyhow, one by one we can discuss. Acha formalin, we know 40% aqueous solution of formalin is called formalin, which is used for preserve the biological specimens. Formalin. Of course, nowadays N2 gas also, liquefied N2 also used for to preserve the biological specimens, but formalin is used to preserve biological specimens. Formalin. 40% aqueous solution of formaldehyde. aqueous solution of formalin is called formalin. Acha మన chemistry everyday life లో కూడా ఉంటుంది formalin. Insecticide like antiseptics to insecticides. Antiseptics this example for insecticides. High concentration. अच्छा formaldehyde monomer unit, Bakelite లో monomer unit లా, urea formaldehyde లో monomer unit. So formaldehyde ఎక్కడ యూజ్ చేస్తామంటే చూడండి, Bakelite switches, current switches, Bakelite switches we are what we do. Like as a glue also. Formaldehyde is used to prepare Bakelite, urea formaldehyde glues and other polymeric products. Polymerization of one of the main monomer unit is formaldehyde. Actually, use of acetaldehyde. Because from acetaldehyde से acetic acid prepare होता है, industrial reagent है. Like the benzaldehyde used in perfume and in dye industries, so benzaldehyde. अच्छा, this is very important है. Nail polish remover है, Acetone है. Acetone is nail polish remover है. देखो nail polish remover है, Acetone है. This use may ask. And these are solvent. And the very rare cases they are asking the uses, but anyhow NCERT may they are given the uses only. That's why we also discussed. Just for information only I am giving. As a Tishanko reaction not given NCERT textbook. Tishanko, even though aldehyde containing alpha hydrogen in the presence of strong base, it undergoes Cannizzaro reaction. Like for example, मैंने 2 molecules of acetaldehyde दिया. In the presence of aluminum ethoxide दिया. Aluminum, this is strong base, aluminum ethoxide strong base. Now it undergoes Cannizzaro, just like Cannizzaro reaction. One molecule undergoes oxidation, another molecule undergoes reduction. अच्छा देखो अल्कोहल और एसिड से क्या बनेगा, अगेन एस्टर बनेगा ना, CH3COO C2H एस्टर बनेगा। अच्छा देखो प्रीवियस एग्जाम कैल्कुलस रिएक्शन में इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ NaOH కాబట్టి CH3CO Na రాశాను, ఇక CH3CO Na రాయటం లేదు, సోడియం ఆల్కహాక్సైడ్ కదా ఇక్కడ, అల్యూమినియం ఇథాక్సైడ్ కదా, సో యాసిడ్ ప్లస్ ఆల్కహాల్ ఎస్టర్ ఫామ్ అవుతుంది. దీని తిషెన్కో రియాక్షన్ అంటాం, బట్ తిషెన్కో రియాక్షన్ నాట్ గివెన్ NCERT టెక్స్ట్ బుక్, బట్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఓన్లీ దిస్ తిషెన్కో రియాక్షన్. So even though compound having no alpha element can undergo Tischenko reaction in the presence of strong base, not sodium hydroxide or aluminum hydroxide. देखो example aluminum hydroxide, one molecule undergoes oxidation, another molecule undergoes reduction, and finally in acidic medium it gives ethyl acetate, ester form, Tischenko reaction. अच्छा even propanol also same, corresponding ester will be formed, but you remember one example acetaldehyde, right? Chalo, and the same all these are example for that only, right? अच्छा ये directly का one molecule alcohol, one molecule of acid, water molecule eliminate करो ester form होता है, यहाँ भी ऐसा ester form होता है. Tischenko reaction not given NCERT, but for information only I am giving Tischenko reaction है, Tischenko reaction है. One molecule undergoes oxidation reduction even though compound containing alpha hydrogen in the presence of a strong base is called Tischenko reaction. Now Perkin's reaction, अच्छा Perkin reaction also not given in NCERT textbook, but Perkin's reaction is just like aldehyde condensation. Here also carbonized intermediate compound. Here aromatic aldehyde you take benzaldehyde. देखो benzaldehyde you take with acetic anhydride in the presence of sodium ethanol, in sodium C2H5ONe, sodium alkoxide. Benzaldehyde at acetic anhydride in the presence of sodium acetate. Use cinnamic acid. Cinnamaldehyde is cinnamic acid. देखो कैसा बेंजोइल है, एसिटिक एनहाइड्राइड है. अच्छा यहाँ हाइड्रोलिसिस करो because here strong base ना, एसिटिक एसिड वीक एसिड, conjugate base is strong which can absorb the proton. Actually mechanism कैसा है, ऐसा होता है CH2H CO O CW1, this is acetic anhydride है. अच्छा in the presence of strong base है which abstract the proton है, which abstract the proton मतलब removal of acetic acid है, क्या बनेगा CH2 minus, because NCERT में reaction में not given, that's why no need to go for mechanisms. Now this is added to one just like aldehyde condensation है. This is added to this molecule benzaldehyde, मतलब आप देख लो benzaldehyde है कैसा, CW1 वो CW1 वो CH3 कहाँ ऐड करेगा. अच्छा ये डायरेक्ट इक्वेशन followed by hydrolysis we get cinnamic acid. अच्छा now we can see the direct mechanism what they write, it is direct mechanism. अच्छा देखो then followed by hydrolysis. Followed by hydrolysis ester, we know acid and alcohol ester बनेगा, ester hydrolysis करेगा तो क्या acid and alcohol बनेगा, बात सही. अच्छा ये एसिड बाहर जाएंगे, देखो cinnamic acid, this is cinnamic acid, अल्फा बीटा अनसैचुरेशन cinnamic acid है, अल्फा बीटा अनसैचुरेशन cinnamic acid है, plus at the end of the chemical reaction catalyst remains unchanged. The Perkin's reaction, just like Perkin reaction also just like aldehyde condensation, here also intermediate compound formation of carbon ion. Note करो Perkin's reaction also formation of carbon ion, intermediate compound formation of carbon ion. In intermediate compound also formation of carbon ion. Intermediate compound also formation of carbon ion. Formation of carbon ion. It is always that only the alpha hydrogen atom of n-hydride ion. Alpha hydrogen का मतलब अलग condensation होने ना. Right? This is special name is given Perkins reaction. But mechanism more or less same as अलग condensation होने. But which are not given in NCERT syllabus like Perkins reaction. But JEE के लिए is a very important equation. So many times asked. Even AIMS examination also so many times asked Perkins reaction. That's why for information I am giving. That's it. But which are not given NCERT testing. Acha, benzoin condensation also not given NCERT book, but this still it is also very important. Very important. And two aromatic aldehydes, like देखो, two aromatic aldehydes, C6H5CHO, C6H5CHO. In the presence of KCl, acha, here pH should be maintained 9 to 10 only, because towards the nucleophilic addition, benzoyl is less reactive only because of aromatic character. So you have to maintain strong basic medium, then only Cn minus added. It कैसा देखो, mechanism देखो कैसा. A simple mechanism I am telling you. C6H5CHO. Now Cn minus. Cn minus है. अच्छा कहाँ ऐड करना Cn minus है? देखो मैं यहाँ ऐड कर रहा Cn. ये Cn. The reason is carbon is electron deficient. Strong base लिखा हमने. So basic minimum लिया. 9 to 10. pH you have to maintain 9 to 10 लिया. So then C6H5 O minus. अच्छा यहाँ Cn लिखा, यहाँ हाइड्रोजन लिखा. अच्छा मेरे को कार्बन आयन माना. I want carbon ion only. Carbon ion only. Carbon ion means क्या? H plus को eliminate करना. H plus को यहाँ shift करो. Carbon ion H plus को यहाँ shift करो. H plus shift करो. C6H5 OH. Now this is added to one more molecule of benzol. This is added to one more molecule of benzol. This is added to one more molecule of benzol. Now this is added to one more molecule of benzol. कैसा देखो? C minus लिखा, C6H5 लिखा, Cn है. अच्छा C माइनस के क्या है? एक Cn है, एक C6H5, एक OH. अच्छा कहाँ अटैक करेगा? कहाँ अटैक करेगा? देखो एक कार्बन इलेक्ट्रॉन डिफिशिएंट है. So shall we write like this? C6H5 O minus. Then क्या है? OH Cn C6H. अच्छा अब एक ही स्टेप में खत्म होता है इक्वेशन. At the end of the chemical reaction, catalyst remains unchanged होना चाहिए ना. At the end of the chemical reaction, catalyst remains unchanged. Cn minus को बाहर आना. अच्छा देखो Cn minus को बाहर आना. అప్పుడు ఈ కార్బన్ ఏ ఛార్జ్ ఉండాలి? పాజిటివ్ ఛార్జ్. కాబట్టి ఏమవుతుంది? ఈ ఎలక్ట్రాన్ ఇటు వస్తుంది. అప్పుడు H ప్లస్ ఎక్కడ కావాలి? O minus దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళిపోవాలి. H plus come to the O minus. Then final product क्या है? देखो C6H5 CHOH C double bond O C6H5. This is called benzoin. अच्छा NCERT लो not given, at least you remember final product. That's it. I'm not asking you to remember all the mechanisms because which are not given NCERT textbook, but we can go for benzo. What is the benzoin? 2 moles of benzaldehyde in the presence of KCl. What is the benzoin? Benzoin में एक carbonyl group है, OH group है. This is benzoin. I will get benzoin only. अच्छा, further suppose इस अंडर को oxidation చేస్తే నేను, देखो ఈ अंडर को oxidation చేస్తే నేను, దీని ఆక్సిడేషన్ చేస్తాను అనుకో, నేను ఆక్సిడేషన్ చేస్తే సెకండరీ ఆల్కహాల్ కన్వర్ట్ ఇంటూ కీటోన్, అవునా? సెకండరీ ఆల్కహాల్ కన్వర్ట్ ఇంటూ కీటోన్ ఇస్ కాల్డ్ బెంజీల్ అంటారు. బెంజీల్ అంటారు. ఫర్దర్ ఇంకో స్టెప్ ఇస్తే కనుక ఆక్సిడేషన్ చేస్తే సెకండరీ ఆల్కహాల్ కన్వర్ట్ ఇంటూ కీటోన్. Of course, ఇంకో స్టెప్ కూడా ఉంది. NaOH గాని యాడ్ చేస్తే బెంజిలిక్ యాసిడ్ అంటాం. బట్ NCERT not given. At least you remember benzoin. What is benzoin? Now चलो देखो, एग्जाम्पल देखो, एक बेंजोल्डेहाइड है, अच्छा दूसरा बेंजोल्डेहाइड है, 2 मॉलिक्यूल इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ KCN है. आपको देखो ये बनेगा. एक कैसा आया, हमने मैकेनिज्म सीखा. But at least you can remember benzoin. What is benzoin? This is benzoin. Further under course oxidation gives a benzyl. देखो benzyl है, ये benzyl. Benzoin oxidation is the benzyl वस्तु. देखो benzyl है. बेंजील होता है, because secondary alkyl group है ना यार, secondary alkyl group convert into keto group on oxidation, right? Of course NaOH చేస్తే బెంజిలిక్ యాసిడ్ వస్తుంది, but not there in the formaldehyde used as formalin as a formalin. अच्छा almost all ना Bakelite లో అన్నిట్లో యూజ్ చేస్తాం కదా ఫార్మాల్డిహైడ్. నెయిల్ పాలిష్ రిమూవర్ ఇస్ ఎస్టోన్.